We're grilling steak and vegetables at 1500 degrees. The result is amazing. Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're cooking steak on the Bighorn infrared gas grill. We got a big box from Bighorn. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We unboxed everything, and here are all the parts. So let's start putting them together. We want to start by adding the two grill supports to the inner side. This will make it easy to slide the trays in and out. Next, we want to add the front table, and this is important so you don't burn the table. Next, we want to insert the grease tray and the heat shield in the grill body, and then we could easily place the grill grates inside with the grill handle. The grill has a cool pizza stone. Make sure that you put the pizza stone in the grill before you start heating it up. Otherwise, it's gonna crack. There's a match lighter that you can attach here. I just like to keep it in a box. Attach the control knob to the grill body as well. Last but not least, we're gonna open the pulse igniter cap and insert a AAA battery and then screw back the igniter cap. Then we just need to connect this to an LP tank and we're ready to go. The Bighorn infrared gas grill is now put together. Let's move it outside and start cooking. We got a beautiful Wagyu ribeye here. We're just gonna season it with salt. When you cook at 1500 degrees, you don't wanna add rub or pepper because it will burn. But if you have good quality steak, salt is enough. We're also gonna drizzle some olive oil on our veggie skewers and then season these with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna turn on the Bighorn infrared gas grill. We're gonna wait about 3 to 5 minutes. And now this grill is scorching hot. We're gonna add the veggie skewers first because they will cook a little bit longer. And when they have good color on one side, we're gonna flip them over. And then it's time to add the steak. We're gonna add the Wagyu ribeye on the second cooking rack. And watch out, this goes fast. Been on for 30 seconds, let's check it. Look at that sizzle. We're gonna cook it for another minute, and then we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna cook it for another minute. And this cooks so fast. It smells amazing in the backyard right now. We're sitting at an inner temperature of about 128 degrees, which is perfect. We're gonna remove the steak. We're gonna let it rest for a while. We're gonna slice it against the grain. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these slices of Wagyu steak cooked at 1500 degrees on the Bighorn infrared gas grill, and perfect medium rare. Got a great crust, packed with flavor. The cool thing about these grills is that they mimic the salamander grills that you find at good steakhouse that create this crust. And this crust, that's where the flavor is. And that flavor is good. Let's try some of these veggies too. So easy to cook with. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. This grill is amazing. You can cook pizza, veggies, seafood, and burgers. One grill, endless flavor.